Why do I look so bad?
Didn't she just look angry?
Who, me? Hi, hello, I'm Miss Patricia Ann, and today we have a Dollar Tree haul. I went to another Dollar Tree that I have never been to before. Glenn gave me $21. I only spent $19.08, and I gave you change back. That's not normal for a Dollar Tree.
It's not
So, we first got these.
What is those?
I'll show you guys.
Corner guards?
Can you believe they have those at Dollar Tree?
What's that for?
A baby.
Oh, to
Put on our end tables. What are you looking like that for? We're safe, or what do you say? We're safety, baby safe.
do your video. I'm gonna see something.
No, stay here. You gotta see what all I got.
Oh,
they ain't done.
They could be done because they're not doing anything.
They're not done. Then I got these outlet covers for the baby.
So
they're making it right now.
Yeah. So this is literally a bag that you're gonna tie up, and it's gonna sit there for 9 months.
But I'm getting stuff
I'm just curious.
No, it's for our baby. Anyway, they have baby stuff at Dollar Tree. These is for the outlet plugs. We can use that anytime.
Cool. I'm literally gonna get out here in a second.
We also got Ella a toy.
You mean tell me I bought her a toy when you just get?
He hates Ella's getting these toys. Got Ella a toy. Then I got our baby these because they're boy and girl, boy or girl.
Unisex.
They're unisex. And I thought they were super cute little bibs. Is that not cute? I'm so happy to be able to buy baby stuff.
They're gender neutral.
They are gender neutral. So we don't know what we're having yet, so I got them. I got this for our ultrasound.
Really?
Yeah, do you think it'll fit in there?
Yeah.
I got that for the ultrasound photo.
Oh, we should have a package at the house today.
We should.
Yeah.
And then I got a paper facial mask. It is rose and coconut, which I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do because the coconut is really bad for me right now, but I got that for $1.
So is rose apparently.
And then I got this because I thought it was super cute. I love coffee and dogs.
Okay.
It's a magnet. And then I got some more stuff. Hold on. And then I got our baby these. Look. Isn't that cute?
Yeah.
You can't tell me that's not cute. Dollar Tree never has those. They have Sesame Street. And I got that for our baby. Look at that. Can you believe that's $1? Sesame Street?
Yeah.
And then I got the red one too, because I couldn't decide. I don't know what the characters are.
Cookie Monster and Elmo.
Is it?
Yeah.
So we have 2 of those, and they have Sesame Street at Dollar Tree. I thought they were so cute for the baby. And then I also got this for the baby.
Yeah.
They're for the doorknobs, so we need to get those for all of our doors. I didn't know how many doors we were going to have, so I only got 2. Just to start out, this is our starter kit. And then I also got the rose and coconut eye cream for Face Mask Friday. So I have where's the rose mask at? It's the same, if you notice, it's the same kind as the rose and coconut. And then they have this. I have the mermaid brushes already, but I did not have this brush, so I had to get it. They only had this one, I already got them all. And this one is the concealer brush. And then I also got this. It's the rose and coconut, and then it's jasmine and orange scent lotions.
Cool. Is that the last item?
No, I got a couple more.
Couple more?
Yeah. And then I got some nail polish. I've never seen Dollar Tree have nail polish like this. So I figured I'd do my toes.
She needs to.
Stop! And then I have 3 different colors. I thought that was really cute. It's Eye Glow nail polish 3-piece set.
Do your toes while you can.
I know. And then here's the last 3 products I got.
You got a couple short months before all that's gone.
Hey, is these the same products? I don't think they are. No, they're not.
Okay, I'm going in.
Okay. I got 3 different products. There's 3 face masks. And they have their clay face mask. This one is it's face mask with an applicator. You let it stay on for 15 minutes. And I got the gold one as well. And then I don't know what the difference is between this one and this one. I just seen two different packaging. So this one's smaller, as you can tell. This one's smaller than this one. And the difference is this one says gold ore, and this is just the same thing. I just don't understand the difference.
Look at that, before your video was even done.
So I spent a total of
1908.
1908. Yep, 1908. And I got all these goodies at Dollar Tree. I got stuff for me, I got stuff for the dog, I got stuff for the baby.
And still, nothing for me, even though it's Father's Day.
It's not Father's Day yet.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow's not Father's Day, tomorrow's Saturday.
Oh. So I got 2 days till Father's Day.
And,
I pulled out my wallet in there.
yeah.
And she's like, it's already paid for. And I was like, oh yeah, it is, isn't it? I almost paid twice.
Alright. So, guys, that is all I got for my Dollar Tree haul. I got some really good products at Dollar Tree I've never been to before. I can't wait to go to,
Ooh, look at that.
I can't wait to find the gender out of our, you seen a vehicle. What kind of vehicle was it?
SS.
What was it?
Chevelle SS.
Anyway, I am excited to find the gender of our baby out because I'm gonna go to different Dollar Trees and get all kinds of different stuff. And if I knew the gender, I could have got a lot more stuff there because they have the pinks and the blues and stuff. But we'll find out soon, and then we'll do Dollar Tree hauls with you guys. I love doing my Dollar Tree hauls, and I'm sorry guys if I'm not just so up spirit and happy. I've been sick this evening.
It's her fault. She gorged on pizza.
And I'm eating, peppermint has really helped. So guys, I am doing pranksy vlogs if you want to watch those. They're TMI pranksy vlogs. And we have regular vlogs. And yeah, that's pretty much all for this video, all for this Dollar Tree haul.
Do you tell them about your constipation?
Yeah, and my TMI vlogs, I do. I do want to show you guys what Glenn got me. He got me these pretty earrings at Tractor Supply.
I can't even see it that good.
I know.
The sunlight.
There they are. They're really pretty. He just bought those for me. And he also bought, and this is all from Tractor Supply, he bought our little dog Ella one of these for $6.99. He also bought her a brush because she's been shedding really, really bad.
Everywhere.
Everywhere. Horrible. I've had a lint rolling today. And I also got some sponges, which I got.
I'll be damned.
What?
They did get him a new thing.
Yeah, they did.
Wow.
And I got sponges.
There's Jeff.
2 new sponges. Oh, I got 2 packages of these.
I'm gonna roll down my window and holler at him.
Alright, and I also got 2 packages of these for $2.99 a piece. And that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you give my videos a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so.
Come on.
And I'll see you guys in my very next video because Glenn is talking to himself and interrupting our video.
Oh my gosh.
Alright guys, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.